Off. Off. Hi, Thor. Hi, Thor. How are you, buddy? Hello, sweetheart. Hello. Let's go out this way, okay? You're a big boy. Hey, Jetta. Hi. Hi, how are ya? Hi, Scooter. Hi, Frank. Aries and Thor. Hey, you. Aren't you a pretty one? You're a pretty baby. Let's see who's down below. Hey! What you doing up there? Hi, Smiley. Hi, sweetheart. Hello. 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 Hi, Jetta. Hi, honey. It's a good girl. It's a good girl. I don't know if you're Jetta, though. You look like her. Yeah, you are. You're Jetta. Oh, somebody's taking a bath. That feel good, huh? That looks like fun to me, right in the sun, in the water. Are you our little mascot sitting up there, huh? How are you? Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Itchy. Itchy. All right. Hi. Hi, honey. Hi. Hi. Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty. Hi, honey. Hey. Let's see who's down here. I think there's lots of people inside where the air conditioning is. Can you move, please, Jackson? Thank you. Mm-hmm. Hey, Bacon. Hi, sweetie pie. Hi, sweetie pie. Get down. Excuse me. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Hi, honey. Bacon. Get down, Bacon. You're too big. You're going to knock me over.
Bacon, come here.
You are beautiful. Hi, beautiful. Yeah, you too. Okay, guys, you're crowding me. Okay, I think that's enough.